This is probably a pointless video just because nobody still has a factory intake. So what we're doing here is I'm removing the upper intake hose clamp and then the one at the turbo, because what we're going to do is we're going to move this silencer ring, since I'm a loser and I want everybody to know I drive a big diesel. And with me removing this too, I'm also going to remove the baffles in the intake, because I'm a cheapskate and am not buying an intake this very moment.
You really need one.
I do.
This one looks basic.
Because it is basic. It's factory. So you're going to take your little flathead and you're going to unscrew this hose, you clampy boy, till it's loose. Seems to be loose. Oh, that's loose too. So, okay, so as you can tell, it's loose. So now that it's loose, we can loosen it.
You didn't take this piece over here off. Oh, you don't need it off.
I don't need to.
So you saying there's baffles inside of this thing?
Yep, about to show you.
You're about to show me? Okay.
So if you look inside, you got a baffle in here.
I'll be damned.
And then there's one right in here.
Wait, how do you get to the one in there? Or you just got to take it apart more?
Yeah, I just take it apart more.
So where's that silencer ring?
It's gone.
So it's not in there?
It's not in there.
Well. Huh. How do the blades look? Can you see the blades from down
They
there? They feel okay.
They look all right. See how much play we have.
Can you play?
Quite a bit of play. Okay, that's a problem.
Really?
That's a problem for later.
I'm sorry.
What we're gonna do is remove these little hose clamps, because in here is your baffles. That makes it supposed to be quieter.
You know, if a man had him just like a little piece of pipe, he could just replace that whole section.
You could, or you can do like me instead of spending more money.
He has spared no costs on 90% of the things he's done to this.
Yes, what? Yes, I have.
But now he's getting cost preventative.
I have been very cost preventive. What are you talking about? Loose. Still got a little bit of tightness in her. So we're gonna loosen her up a little bit more. Right? So loose. Right, so we pulled that apart. You see in there? Those are baffles. That makes it quieter. We don't want quiet.
You want everyone to know that you drive a diesel truck. Are you reading?
Well, I'm like, so these two things, nibs, go there. So why is this not breaking? It broke.
You're supposed to twist it.
Well, I'm stronger than the average Joe.
I think no.
So the baffle, don't know how to take it out.
I thought you said you knew how to take it out. Well, it's coming. It's coming. Keep on. Push. Push. It looks like it's just sitting in there friction. It's like friction fit in there. Yep, there it goes. Wow, it is friction fit.
Through the birth canal, we went. All right, so that part's done. All right, and then this one is the one that we take a screwdriver in between here.
20 minutes later.
Problem is, this one's too small, but this one then is too big.
You need something more flat but wide, right? Let me see if I can find something.
Oh! Did you hear it?
I heard something.
It popped. So what we're doing?
Oh, okay. I believe you now.
About lost a phalange.
Gosh, that poor thing looks so beaten and battered.
Well, she should have listened to begin with. But this is what we're going to plastic weld back on.
We need plastic weld back on. Will it not just click back into place like we're clicking it out of place?
No.
It won't?
Nope. All right. See, it's got plastic weld. That's what we're going to put the plastic weld, that JB weld we got. So that now this is gone.
Wow.
These are the baffles to make it quiet. You see, they go in here. We don't want quiet. Why'd I do that?
Are you serious?
All right.
Do not put it back.
She's so what we do into the parked pile of trash. So anyways, that's it. So I'm gonna scrape some of this butyl out with my pocket knife because I don't care how sharp my knife is. And then we'll get the plastic weld out and then plastic weld it back together.
Pretty simple. 15 minutes to dry.
Perfect.
30 minutes to cure.
Perfect. Because it's going to take us an hour and 30 minutes to figure out how to cut an exhaust pipe.
Wait, no, it sets in 15 minutes, cures in 30 minutes if temperature is below 40 Fahrenheit, so it should be faster than that.
What? If temperature is below 40 degrees, then set time is longer. You don't read all the way, do you, man?
Nope, nope. It's very abundantly clear. But he asked me to read the instructions, so.
Well, I wanted it to we both of us to have equal amount of liability if this just blows up on me on the highway. Oh my gosh, it got so dark I couldn't see. Now I can see. Okay, we're good. So pop the cap.
It immediately was ready.
Oh no.
That might be bad, because it's got to be even, right? I don't know, just start pouring in that tray. Pour it over here.
That's the mixing tray.
Oh, that makes a lot more sense. It looks like that yin and yang symbol.
You want to mix
know what
that
I mean?
while I get a cloth.
We've decided that we need more. See, that's more even. Whoa, we might be filling up that little tray.
Because the goal is we're going to overdo this. So
Is
now
she homogenized?
she's homogeneized.
You're really getting that crap everywhere.
Yep.
I'm sure it's going to be really good for your air intake whenever it sucks it into the turbo.
Hey.
Did your turbo actually have like a lot of play in it?
It had
Or
a
were
good
you being
amount.
Dramatic.
Nope, it had a pretty good amount.
We know what that means. 80 mil.
No, yeah.
It's the only thing I can mean. So what's the recommended amount?
I don't know. Probably less than what I'm doing. But my idea is if I put a lot in here and it just overspills on the side, oh well.
Didn't look like he cleaned the surface very well under it.
You know what? Yeah.
I was expecting some pushback from that.
I didn't. I feel like I need some more over here.
It is a little shy over there, isn't it?
Oh,
I can tell you one thing, you ain't getting this lid back off.
that's fine.
Making factory Cummins sound better, even though yours wasn't necessarily factory. Why are you twisting it like that?
I'm just making sure there's no air bubble. Should I run it on the outside too?
I think what we should do is try to find little clamps and clamp down the edges.
Oh, easy. Does he have any vice grips? I just need 2. Well, 4 would be ideal.
I think honestly we need to make sure that it's flat and it sets. You know what I mean? Oh, run them long ways. Yeah. Well, hold on.
Golly bum.
Why are you having such a hard time with this? What a nightmarish contraption. We really just need we need another small one. Let me run in here real quick. You having trouble getting it up?
Well, the problem is, yeah.
All right, there's our science fair experiment. We're hoping to take first place.
1 hour later.
So this JB plastic weld stuff has sat long enough for this to become indestructible. Unless you're really strong like me. So,
Giving yourself too much credit.
I know, I'm super strong. So anyways, this is a part. We put some vice grips to vice the grips down, you know, as they say. So now we're peeling them back. Yeah, that ain't going nowhere. So, and just so you know,
That would have ripped apart. I would have cried.
I have been going to the gym now for a couple of days.
No, you haven't.
Sporadically over the last year,
What does sporadically mean?
It means I've gone.
Like more than you.
More than the average person goes to the gym in America. I have gone this year. Okay. Anyways, but see, I'm super strong. It ain't ripping apart. This stuff is working. So now we're just gonna reassemble. Now we're gonna reassemble, and let's see if I remember how to do this. So the double went to this double. Okay, sweet. Right, and remember, we took out this baffle, and it's probably to help airflow, but I don't care.
You think?
I don't need airflow whenever I have Cummins. So, perfect. So we're going to line up the 2 dots with the 2 arrows, and we're going to put this thing over it, and then whenever we tighten it, it gets tightened. It tightens. Where's the socket? All you want is this thing tight enough for it to not loosen. And that ain't loosening because it's tight enough. So then this, you're going to line up the arrow with the other nubby. Pretty close. All right, now you have completely unrestricted airflow. My hands are being held together right now with no restrictions. So we can put this back in the truck. So let's go plop it back in the truck real quick. Honestly, do you remember which one?
I have no idea. I knew you were about to ask. That looks right. Or maybe it don't.
Yeah, that's right, because there's the nub.
What's that nub for? The cable?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. There we go. Oh, the turbo too already.
So eventually this truck will be getting a WC Fab compound kit. So
Oh, really?
it's gonna go compound.
You haven't told me that.
Yeah, well, that was news I wanted to announce with the channel. But no, seriously. I don't see a reason in spending the $1,200 on a piping kit if I know I eventually want to go compounds. So all right.